Assalamu alaikum everyone. Satya Gondal here once again from Javed Publishers. Today we will be doing Kids English Grade 5 chapter number 11, and the topic of this chapter is how the little kite learned to fly. So let's start. On page number 75 we will be doing word meanings now. The first word is tranquil, which means calm, pursukoon. Second word is stirred, which means move slightly, thoda sa hilna julna. Then we have the word spot. Spot यहाँ पे मतलब है a small mark, नुक्ता. Trembling, the meaning is shaking, कांपना. Whirling, rapid movement, जिसका उर्दू में तर्जुमा बनेगा जोर से घूमना. Thrilled, excited, खुश होना. Now let's do the question and answers. Question number 1 is, why was the little kite afraid to fly? The answer is, she was afraid of falling down. Question number 2, what advice did the big kite give to the little kite? The big kite advised her to try to fly, because if the little kite will not try, she will not learn anything at all. Question number 3, how did the little kite show courage to fly? The answer is, she whirled around and gathered courage for the flight. Question number 4, how is kite flying dangerous? Share your opinion. The answer is, kite flying is dangerous because number 1, birds and animals can get trapped in the lines of kite. Number 2, lines can get wet and become conductors of electricity. And number 3, when you're chasing a kite, you are not careful. So sometimes you can fall off the roof or you can get injured by falling on the ground. Question number 5. What is your opinion about banning of kite flying in Pakistan? The answer is, kite flying should be banned in Pakistan because kite lines in Pakistan have crushed glass twisted through them to help cut others' kite, and this can cause injuries and deaths. When these lines fall down after being cut, they can slit the throats of any person. So that's why kite flying should be banned in Pakistan. Question number 2 is, what is the central idea of the poem? Write it down in your notebook. Central idea means the main idea of the poem. So the main idea of this poem would be to face the challenges and not to be scared of the problems. Also, the central idea is to try again until you succeed. On page number 75, we have a grammar portion which is about phonics, and we will be learning syllables in that section today. Now let's divide these words into syllables. The word is naughtiest. इसके 3 syllables हैं. N-A-U-G-H, no, dash, T-I, dash, E-S-T-est. No, T, est. इसके 3 syllables हैं. Next word is trembling. इसके 2 syllables हैं. T-R-E-M-B, trem. L-I-N-G, ling, trembling. Next word is understand. इसके 3 syllables हैं. Un, dash, d, dash, stand. Next word is alone. इसके 2 syllables हैं. A, dash, lone. And the last word is pride. इसको ब्रेक करने की बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि आप इसको एक गो में easily पढ़ सकते हैं. So इसका कोई भी syllable नहीं है. It's just going to remain the same. And the last question on this page is, read the timetable and answer the given questions. हम जब भी कोई timetable read करते हैं, there are 2 ways to do that. You can read it horizontally. आप इसको ऐसे read कर सकते हैं, or you can do it vertically. Vertically means upside down, top bottom. या फिर आप इसको स्ट्रेट लाइन में रीड कर सकते हैं. लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चंस. अच्छा, सबसे पहले देख लेते हैं. आपके पास जो डेज हैं उसका कॉलम आपके पास वर्टिकली आ रहा है, टॉप टू बॉटम, और जो पीरियड्स आपके पास आ रहे हैं, जो क्लासेस आ रही हैं, दे आर गिवन इन हॉरिजॉन्टल मैनर. लेट्स डू द क्वेश्चंस. हाउ मेनी पीरियड्स ऑफ गेम्स आर देयर इन द टाइम टेबल? चलिए इसको हॉरिजॉन्टली देखते हैं. अगर हम इसको हॉरिजॉन्टली चेक करते हैं तो फ्राइडे के दिन द लास्ट पीरियड इज़ ऑफ गेम्स, और ये सिर्फ एक ही पीरियड है. Question number B, which subject is the first period throughout the week? अगर हम वीक वाला कॉलम देखते हैं, वर्टिकली देखते हैं, टॉप टू बॉटम, तो हमें नज़र आता है कि साथ ही पीरियड 1 का जो कॉलम है उसको भी जब हम वर्टिकली चेकआउट करते हैं तो सारे पीरियड 1 हमें इंग्लिश के नज़र आते हैं। सो द फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट थ्रू आउट द वीक इज़ गोइंग टू बी ऑफ इंग्लिश। थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर वॉचिंग। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और जुड़े रहिएगा बोलती किताबों के साथ।